You can run a cortisol sample. You can run other markers all you'd like. And you can even show at night that you have high cortisol levels. So if you do, well, someone, a scientist would say, oh, this person is clearly a night owl. That's their natural, or that is their biological rhythm. To what I would say is, okay, they're not a night owl. Let's not label them that. Yes, their cortisol is elevated in the evening. That's undeniable, but that is called a dysfunctional diurnal rhythm. We know that for two reasons. One, humans aren't nocturnal. They were never meant to see outside in the pitch black at night. They would be easy prey for predators that are actually nocturnal. Second, we know that there's long-term, and by the way, there's 3 points. Second is that the lowest cortisol for the day should be at 9:30 p.m. at night, okay? And then natural cortisol production begins between around 6 and 8 a.m. where there's the sharpest peak. Okay, so if you're not in bed then by basically around 10, and then if you're not waking up between 6 and 8, you're missing the normal diurnal rhythm, which is one of the reasons why we have so much depression, low mood, brain fog, infertility, high blood sugar, etc., because we're not following a natural diurnal rhythm. I mean, that again, this is from a clinical practice. Myself, many of my colleagues can for sure share with you that. But the other thing is this: there's already plenty of studies that show people that work the night shift live on average 7 years less. There was a famous nursing study. So let's not, again, let's be careful with what we deem as good science, right? You can prove anything you want in a lab. Honestly, you can just go in with the hypothesis of what you want to prove, and there you have it. So let's just be careful on what we take as, the good science and what we follow, especially with labeling people as anything, but especially night owls, all right?